Have you been trying to figure out how much life insurance is really just enough? You don't want to be overinsured and paying for insurance you really don't need, and you don't want to be underinsured so you don't have the ability to take care of your family financially if something does happen to you. Well, there is a very simple formula for that. It's called human life value. What human life value is, in a nutshell, is your annual gross income multiplied by the number of years you plan on working. For example, let's say you earn $100,000 as your gross annual income. You're 30 years old and you plan on working till age 65. That makes it 35 years of working. Essentially, you need $3.5 million of life insurance. The simple math is $100,000 for your gross annual income times 35 years, which equals to $3.5 million. Now, some people might say, well, that's too much. The industry thinks so too, and typically, most consumers in the life insurance industry do go for about 20 times of their annual gross income. So someone making $100,000, multiply that by 20, $2 million should be adequate amount of life insurance. If you have any more questions, let me know. Either contact me directly or leave a comment below.